Hello everyone! Welcome to the Modern Tea Cuisine course. The dish we are making today is the Longjing Shrimp. It is said that the Longjing Shrimp is originated in Hangzhou. The Hangzhou chef was inspired by the Su Dongpo's poem, watching the south of the Yangtze River and the phrase "try new tea on a new fire, poetry and wine while you're young," and use the green color, rich aroma, sweet taste and beautiful shape of the Longjing tea, and the fresh river shrimp before the Qingming season. The finished shrimp dish looked like a white jade. It is also fresh and tender. Tea leaves are green and fragrant, light and elegant color, special taste. Teaching objectives: to enable the students to master the cooking skills of the Longjing shrimp. Teaching difficulties: master shrimp in the production process, battering, oiling, cooking, and other aspects. Reasonable grasp of the Longjing tea in cooking with the flavor blend of ingredients. Teaching content: the complete teaching process of the Longjing shrimp is presented through a display of raw materials, explanation of the cooking process, live demonstration, and the characteristics of the finished dish. Then the cooking method we use for this dish is sautéing. Cooking method: sautéing is the process in which small raw ingredients are first battered and oiled, then sautéed rapidly in a small amount of oil over high heat. A method of cooking in which the final gravy is thickened with counter gravy or a simple vermicelli sauce. Raw materials: main ingredients: fresh river shrimp 500 grams. Auxiliary ingredients: Longjing tea 5 grams. Seasonings: half an egg white, Shao wine 8 grams, refined salt 1.5 grams, chicken extract 1.5 grams, starch 20 grams, blending oil 500 grams, approximate of 40 grams consumed. Ingredients: appropriate amount of onion and ginger. Process: the initial processing of fresh river shrimp. Fresh river shrimp raw materials are generally washed and need to be processed, mainly to cut off frontal blade, tentacles, step feet. Larger ones need to have their backside gut removed for use. Fresh river shrimp shelling out of the meat processing process. The shrimp will be peeled for use. Refining process of the fresh river shrimp. Remove the fresh river shrimp. First, brew under running water for about 20 minutes, bleaching the blood inside the fresh river prawns and shrimps. Put it in the bowl again. Add green onion, ginger, cooking wine, chicken essence, and salt. Grab until sticky. Then add egg whites, starch, and mix well. Put blending oil on the surface. After 10 minutes of resting, just let the flavor of the seasoning soak into the shrimp. How to brew Longjing tea? Warm the cup with boiling water. Take appropriate amount of tea leaves into the glass pot. Let the boiling water cool to about 75 to 85 degrees Celsius. Add the right amount of water. To cover all the tea leaves is preferred. Brew in less than 30 seconds. The brewed tea appears clear and turquoise. Decanting tea. Separate tea leaves and tea water for use. Formal cooking. Add blending oil. Heat a pan on high heat until 20% to 30% hot. Put in the pulpy shrimp and oil. Pay attention to judge the oil to 30% heat. You can put up a shrimp first to try. Shrimp next to the phenomenon of small bubbles. You can tell that the oil temperature is suitable for pouring shrimp over the oil. Pour into a colander to drain the oil. Drain the shrimp with care when draining the oil. Add base oil to the pan. Add tea broth, salt, chicken essence. Boil on the fire, thicken the broth, then add the shrimp. Tea leaves into the fire upside down, stir-fried. Top with oil and serve in the pan. Characteristics of the finished dish: tender shrimp, tea leaves are turquoise, fresh and beautiful flavor. It is said that the Emperor Qianlong loved this dish. Nutritional value: shrimp is rich in collagen, amino acids, and minerals such as calcium, phosphorus, and iron. Tasty flavor, nutrient-rich. Green tea contains many vitamins and has the function of softening blood vessels and lowering cholesterol. It is a healthy food, very suitable for children and the elderly. Fellow students, we're done with this dish of the Longjing Shrimp. In the production process, we have to pay attention to 2 points. The first point of the fresh river shrimp is the primary processing. The second point of oil temperature control. I hope students will practice more after this class. Bye for today's lesson.